Hello and welcome to this video on cryptocurrency trading. In this video, we will cover everything you need to know about trading cryptocurrencies, and we will also discuss how to avoid emotional trading while trading crypto. First, let's start with the basics. Cryptocurrency trading is buying and selling digital assets or tokens, with the aim of making a profit. Cryptocurrencies are decentralized, meaning that they are not controlled by any government or financial institution, making them unique from traditional investments. Now, let's move on to the most popular cryptocurrencies in the market. Bitcoin, Ethereum, Ripple, and Litecoin are some of the most well-known cryptocurrencies, and they are traded on various cryptocurrency exchanges. To start trading, you will need to create an account on a cryptocurrency exchange. There are numerous exchanges available, and each has its unique features and fees. Make sure to research the different exchanges before you choose one to trade on. Once you have created your account and funded it, you can start trading. Trading cryptocurrencies involves analyzing the market and predicting whether the price will go up or down. There are two main trading strategies: day trading and long-term investing. Day trading involves buying and selling cryptocurrencies within a day, taking advantage of small price movements. Long-term investing involves holding on to cryptocurrencies for an extended period, with the aim of profiting from long-term price movements. Finally, let's talk about how to avoid emotional trading when trading crypto. Emotional trading can lead to poor decisions and significant losses. One way to avoid emotional trading is to have a clear trading plan and stick to it. You should also avoid trading when you are feeling emotional, tired, or distracted. Additionally, you can use tools like stop-loss orders, which automatically sell your assets at a predetermined price to prevent significant losses. You can also limit the amount you trade and use technical analysis tools to help you make informed trading decisions. In summary, cryptocurrency trading can be profitable but also risky. It's essential to research and understand the market before investing, choose a reliable exchange, and have a clear trading plan. And remember, always avoid emotional trading and use risk management tools to minimize losses. Thanks for watching, and we hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more informative videos on cryptocurrency trading.